Hi guys, have you tried banana French toast for breakfast? Well, I'll show you. Very easy and it tastes pretty good. With coffee, it is pretty good, so I'll show you in a little bit. Ingredients for the banana French toast, just bread. Then you have eggs, banana, cinnamon sugar, powdered sugar, and brown sugar. You need to take out the brown part of the bread, so it will be a little softer, because you need to wrap the bananas. Next, you have to wrap the banana. Wrap the banana and dip into the egg, and then you have to put in the pan so it'll be golden brown. Just like that, easy. Okay guys, after you melt the butter into the pan, put the sliced bananas, cook it. When it's caramelized a little bit, take it out, and then I'll show you the next step. Guys, after you roll the banana and the bread into the egg mixture with the cinnamon sugar, brown it in the pan, and then put some powdered sugar and eat with fruits and coffee. Here is the finished product of the banana French toast. Sprinkled it with powdered sugar and with coffee. You can put any fruits you like. We have strawberry, so that's what we did with coffee. Happy tummy. See you guys later. Bye.